Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to the blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have this glass screen protector, and as you can see here it's from Ailun, and of course this is a tempered glass screen protector. It comes with 9H hardness. It has a oleophobic coating, meaning to resist water, and of course it gives maximum clearance. There is delicate touch, and of course it's made of real glass, and it, of course, according to this, is perfectly fitted. All right, so of course this is for, as outlined here, for the 11th generation iPad, which is A16, and of course the 11th inch or the 10 inch. All right, so as you can see over here, this is my A16 iPad, and of course you can check out this product here. This thing is quite big. In terms of the packaging, you get tempered glass screen protector. You can pause and read. And of course, they give the breakdown of features here in terms of anti-shatter film. There is the delicate touch and stuff from before. And it says here it's a premium tempered glass for testing standard. And they give the testing standards here. So you can actually pause and read. And here's the information and their website. All right. So, of course, I think I've had products from them from before, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open this up now. Of course, as I recommended earlier, make sure that if you have your tablet, that you get a screen protector with it. And the reason why I recommend this is that chances are that you'll need that added protection. All right, so this thing comes well sealed, it's brand new, so I'm going to open it up. All right, and it has this spongy material all around it. All right, so it does take some effort to open up, and this is just to protect it during transport. This was bought with my own money. All right, so there you go, and it's quite big. I'm trying to keep it in frame. Beautiful. It comes with a microfiber cloth included, so that's very nice. So I'll put that down. It comes with not one but one, and it comes with a second one, which is two, and you get dust removers. You also get two dust removers, meaning you can do this twice. There's also these cleaning wipes that comes with it, very nice. And there's the instruction, and of course you can, I'm going to set this so you can pause and read. So you can pause and read, and you can pause and read. All right, so you can pause and read, and that's it. All right, so that's it in terms of what's here, and it comes well backed, meaning that it will be protected during shipping. So if you're worried about protection during shipping, it's well protected. All right, so this is going to be a unboxing and a installation video. All right, so we're gonna go straight into the process. So I'm gonna move these out of the way. I'm gonna make some room here, and of course, here we go. So this is the microfiber cloth. This is coming handy for later on, so I'm gonna put this aside, and I'm gonna put the tablet flat on this surface here. All right, so make sure it's a padded surface that's clean. I'm gonna use this. I have material beneath it to protect it. All right, so here I have the dust remover, and along with the dust remover I have also, right, so I have the dust remover here. This is the dust absorber. I'm gonna put this to the side, and I'm gonna have the wet dry wipes. So this is gonna be like the dry wipes. Now the first thing you want to do, guys, in these cases is to go ahead and power off the device. All right, and the reason why you want to power down is to make sure that there's no touch interference. All right, so while that's fully powering down, we're gonna go first with the wet wipes, and of course the wet wipes is gonna clean the surface. As you can see, the surface of this is quite messy, and that's because of the touches that you have been touching the screen. It, especially if you've been trying out with without a screen protector. Now, of course, the material here is, whatever is on this is very potent. So that's the first thing I notice. It really smells like alcohol. All right. So for best result, move back and forth and up and down. All right. So make sure that the surface is as dust free as possible. Then when you're finished, you're gonna go ahead and use this as a dry wipe. So what you want to do is to polish the screen, and you want to get rid of anything such as any leftover moisture. Make sure you know where the orientation of the screen is. The camera is right here, and of course the power button is right here, the volume buttons are here, and that's to make sure you install this the right way. All right, so we're gonna remove all of the dust, and make sure that the screen is clean and pristine. All right, so as you can see, it's done. If you have any dust, you can go ahead and use the dust remover. In my case, I see none, so I'm gonna skip to the next step. So we're gonna remove this. All right, so here we go. And you're gonna place the notch section here to the camera. So that's gonna be like this. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna hold these by the edges. I'm gonna remove the first panel. All right, so there you go. And what I like to do is to allow it to move across, or you can actually draw a line down the middle. Now try to align it as best as possible. Make sure you catch all the edges and make sure it's balanced on every side. So it's now moving across. All right, so once it's finished, you're gonna use this to work out the remainder of the bubbles. All right, so it's finished now, and we have gotten everything out, and it's perfectly on. All right, guys, so you can inspect it yourself. So number one, there's some pointers. Make sure that you align the edges. Now, it's a little bit, for me, and this is an error on my part, but it's just a minor error, that it's a little bit unbalanced on this side, meaning I placed it a little, I should have centered it a little bit more, meaning it could have gone over a little bit more, but these are the edges, so it's not a problem. So as you can see, there's no bubbles. It went on flawlessly. So you can see there's no bubbles, and here are the edges. And this edge, it's way up to the edge here, and a little bit from the edge here, but I should have just balanced it a little bit more. So watch out for that. Make sure that you place it perfectly center. And of course, if we had some guides, it would have really helped out to make this install perfect. So overall, I give this a 9 out of 10. And of course, it could have easily been a 10 out of 10 if they had included something to help with the alignment. But that's just me nitpicking. Otherwise, it's perfect, all right? So it's on perfectly, and now I have a tempered glass screen protector on. And of course, do I highly recommend this? I definitely recommend the Ailun. So if in case you want the same, I'll put a link in the description so you can actually pick it up. So of course, this is the product itself, and they did a solid job. I have an extra just in case I need to remove this one, or if in case it's broken. But so far so good, and I'm loving what I'm seeing. So as I can show you here, guys, it's on now, and the only way I know it's on is because of the gap. Let's power it up. All right, guys, so it's up now, and let's just do some quick tests. So it's just as responsive as before. Now I don't have to really worry about dropping it on the glass. One of the things I like about this is that it gives the display that protection. So my sticky fingers, for example, I can easily clean, and of course we have that protection. In terms of clarity, it doesn't remove any of the clarity, and I can easily access all of the stuff such as control centers before. Everything is working fine. So I give this double thumbs up. All right, so it's a great product. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.